Welcome. We're going to see the problem on entropy and purity. So entropy formula for each cluster is entropy dI is minus sigma j equal to 1 to k PRI of Cj log base 2 PRI of Cj, where PRI is the proportion of class Cj data points cluster, and entropy, total entropy formula is this one. Purity of each cluster formula is max j of PRI of Cj. Purity of the whole clustering is, total purity is sigma mod di by mod d into purity of d. So the problem, assume we have 3 text collections D of total 900 documents from 3 topics or classes. We have science, sports and politics. Each class has 300 documents. Science has 300, sports and politics, each one has 300 documents. Each document in D is labeled with one of the topics or classes. We use the collection to perform clustering to find 3 clusters here, 1, 2 and 3. Note that the class or topic labels are not used in clustering. After clustering, we want to measure the effectiveness of the clustering algorithm, calculate entropy and purity for each cluster and overall cluster. So we find the total here 250 plus 20 plus 10, 280 for cluster 1, 280 for cluster 2 and 340 for cluster 3. We name it as D1, D2 and D3. Here the total is 300 each. So cluster I, science, values written here. PR of I comma 1 is 250 divided by the total 280, 0.893. 20 divided by the total 280, 30 divided by the total 340 is written here. And for sports, same way we find PR of I comma 2. Politics we find PR of I comma 3. And then log base 2 PR of I comma 1. So here we need log base 2 PR of I comma 1 sigma in PRI of Cj. So log base 2 PR of I comma 1. PR of I comma 1 is 0.893. Log base 2 of 0.893 is minus 0.16. If we are not able to do log base 2 if x in calculator directly, it is log base 10 x by log base 10 2. So we find all the log base 2 PR of I comma 1 and then log base 2 PR of I comma 2, log base 2 of 0.07, 0.643 and 0.29, and same way log base 2 PR of I comma 3 also. And then purity is maximum of PR of I comma j, maximum of 0.893 or 0.07 or 0.035, which is 0.893. So the maximum values of these PR of I comma is the purity value. Entropy is minus sigma PR of I comma j log base 2 PR of I comma j. So it is minus 0.16 into 0.893 in plus minus 3.84 into 0.07 plus minus 4.85 into this value. So we have the entropy values. Now total entropy and total purity. Total entropy formula sigma di by d into entropy of di. So di is what? We have the total value d1, d2, d3, 280, 280 and 340. 280 by 900 the total into this single entropy value plus 280 by 900 into 1.18 plus 340 divided by 900 into 1.257. So the total entropy is 1.03. Same way find the total purity sigma di by d into purity of da. So 280 by 900 into purity, this value. Likewise we add everything and we get the total purity value. Thank you.